Hey folks, another video. I bought I've got 5 lampposts on the property going up the driveway, and I bought online some outlets that attach to the lamppost here. I used a step drill bit to drill through the pipe, and then just ran a wire up from here to the top of the light where the connections are, and put an outlet on each pole, and I'm putting Christmas lights around the pole itself. I did a couple in previous years, and I never got around to doing the rest of the poles, and so I did the rest of the poles this weekend. And the reason why I like to have the outlets up higher is when plowing snow, it tends to pack up, a couple of feet up from the bottom, 2 to 3 feet up high. So I'd rather have the outlets up a little higher, closer to the top. And then I use electrical tape to wrap around the wire here just to hold it in a circular pattern. And now I'm just going to replace this lantern because it was all corroded on the inside. So I'm just going to do that now. Shut up the circuit breaker on this I know it's not because I have the lights on. The lights went out. screwdriver. Well, turn the power back on and everything looks fine. So you'll see I've got one over here by the house with green lights on, another lantern with red lights, and down there is 3 other ones. And that's the one we just put the lantern on. So yeah, I bought the outlets online. They're pole outlets, and I think they were made for 3-inch poles, and I just wired it up into the top of the lantern. This will have an outlet on each pole to put Christmas lights around, or to run some very light electric. I don't think it would be good to run like a power saw or anything else like that, but at least it's good enough for these LED lights. And have LED lights in the top of the lanterns too. Thanks for watching.